If your small engine is hard to start, here are the 3 most probable causes. Due to carbon buildup and a weakened electrode, the spark plug will degrade over time, which can make the engine hard to start. You should inspect the spark plug for damage or wear. You can also use an ignition tester to help determine if the spark plug is defective. As a general guideline, we recommend replacing the spark plug once a year. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. As fuel is consumed, the level in the fuel tank lowers. To make up for this, fuel caps will have a small vent hole or holes to allow air into the tank. If the vent holes are blocked by buildup or debris, air will not be able to enter the tank, creating a vacuum that can make the engine difficult to start. Try loosening the cap slightly, then see if you can start the engine. If the engine starts normally and continues to run, it's likely the vent hole or holes in the cap are blocked, and the cap will need to be replaced. Spark plugs, carburetors, and carburetor repair kits, as well as fuel caps, are all available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your small engine.